Hey, what's going on? So, came back out to the range today. Uh, not not super warm, not super cold. It's about 50 degrees. There's a little bit of wind. It rained last night. It is what it is. Not a good day to come out and shoot. So today, because I've sworn off the 22s for just a minute, guess I'm kind of shooting a 22 today. I haven't shot the Poverty Pony Express in a minute, so brought it back out to the range. Just just wanted to shoot it. So we're gonna shoot it for groups at 100, 200, and 300. And yeah, as always, its favorite food, Hornaday Black, 223, 75 grain boat tail hollow points. And yeah, we'll shoot it on some targets for groups. We'll make sure that I didn't bump or move or screw up anything, and then we'll shoot it on some steel at 300, just for fun. Short video. Thanks. Yeah, it is wet out there. I just put up the targets, taking a little break, and got everything set up to go. It is a bit breezy. 14-mile-an-hour, pretty sustained wind, and it's switching directions, especially sitting out here on the range, coming over and around and whatnot. So we'll do the best we can. I think I've got all my excuses out of the way. I'm dialing in my ballistics calculator. We're going to shoot it at 100, see what happens. So wish me luck. All right, we're gonna send a couple just into that floppy target just to confirm the scope is still on. All right, there, old poverty pony. There we go. All right, so here's the challenge. I'm going to put 3 on that target at 100. And the only stop I'm going to take is to readjust the camera on the 200. Take 3 at that. Again, I'll stop, readjust the camera for 300, take 3 on that. Same ammo, same gun. The only cooldown will be adjusting the camera to take and focus. Zoom. All right, here we go. Out to 200. Yeah. All right, on to 300. Ooh. Adjust my parallax. Oh, yeah, that's nice. I'm actually going to aim for the hole by the throat. So we'll use that as the hole, okay. All right, we're empty. Yeah, I guess it got pretty close. Well, seeing as how that works so well, I'm gonna put 4 on the head. Now they got the, I think, maybe, the wind figured out. That's 300 yards. There it is. Yeah, I was getting a little aggressive with my holdover. That was my fault. All right, well, yeah, the old girl, she still shoots. I'm pretty happy with that. Well, hope y'all enjoyed. I'll try and do some slow-mo in there too. I'll cut out the jerking and whatnot. Well, there you go. Shaw barrel. That, I love shooting this stupid thing. Yeah, I mean, suppressed or unsuppressed, that thing shoots. It's great scope. I mean, you gotta know how to get on it. It's very unforgiving. You have to set it up the way you want to set it up, and you have to be, uh, you gotta know where you get on the rifle every time, and it's forgiving after that. So, man, oh, I wish it was cheaper to shoot. Although I will say, it shoots cheap ammo pretty damn good too. So if you just want to come out plinking for the day, it'll do that too. Not quite as good as the Hornady Black and 75 grain, but Dad and I have come out and shot it with Federal 55 grain, and it shot almost as good. But yeah, on the 200 target, I kind of screwed up a little bit. That was my fault. I was probably rushing it, but hey, things happen. It was a great day. Came out and shot. Could be worse. Hope you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. All right, we're empty.